very dangerous. Understand? This is for you. This is for your self-defense. Understand? Daddy gave this to me when I was about your age.
Well, did she ever know who he was?
It goes in this case. Otherwise, it's not to be seen. Understand? Otherwise, in self-defense or if somebody needs it, you don't get it out. Okay?
Self-defense for fishing tomorrow, honey.
Oh yeah, I'm fishing. Okay? So, see this? When you open it, you hear a little click. That's this thing popping up. Once you're done with this, and don't cut yourself, you press this button and push it down. Okay?
I wouldn't have.
Can you do that? Let's try it. Open it. Wait, grab the end. Open it. Get the click. Now, press the button, grab it by non-sharp side, push it down. Now, put this in here, like this. Okay? Put in there. Then click it shut. Understand? Now, I'm giving my old dice to you, okay? And when I get older, and I outgrow this one becomes yours too. Okay?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Do you want it?
But do you want it? If you don't, give it back. Okay? Now, don't go around playing with that, okay? It's not a toy toy. Understand? I am dead serious. If I catch you playing with that thing, it's gone. And even when you do want to play with it, not play with it, but use it, ask me or them.
The phone was up.
Understand?